Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened near the previous resistance zone. Now my expectation initially was market can correct, remove weak players. Once their stop loss is 100, later we can see a momentum towards the upside. That is why even when Bank Nifty gave this breakout, I was not that confident to enter a call option trade. Shared my initial view about Nifty and Bank Nifty. As long as the high breaks, no call option trade. Later, I observed both the index was holding. I've shared one video saying that Bank Nifty is moving towards the upside, but somehow I'm not getting confidence based on stop loss hunting because I feel market can correct. So that is why I'm going to avoid taking any call option trade and wait for a proper setup. Now, just because the market is moving towards the upside, we cannot enter, right? We have to be confident with the setup. I was confident in taking Nifty setup here because Nifty was holding on to this range while Bank Nifty was continuously moving. Now my logic for entering this trade was Nifty from this upper level it can correct. Bank Nifty can reach the resistance after breaking 53,000. That time when many people are thinking of entering call option trade, market can correct and remove weak players. By then Nifty can achieve my target. Later point of day, you can see market was just holding on to the range for very long time. 9:35 I gave the update until 11:30 the market was just holding on. Later only we got the momentum that we need, that was close to 170 points. This was a superb move. Now the same update, right, when I shared with the Telegram group before this big movement, in the free Telegram group, I have shared the setup. This is the trade which I have taken. This is a boring day. Then I said market is in mood. We got the momentum. After that, I was done for the day. Later, I had shared this setup saying that Nifty and Bank Nifty can make a momentum like this. I said this possibility is there. Be careful. I will not be looking at the market after this because already the first trade was frustrating for me. If I'm there in the market right now, I will not think about call option trade because as per stop loss hunting, market has to correct. Nifty had given a movement of close to 50-60 points. Bank Nifty gave a movement of close to 100 points. After that, it started to move towards the upside. So my expectation was market can again form a double bottom, but that did not happen. Only small momentum later it broke the upper level. On a close to close basis, if you see, Nifty closed flat, 10 points positive or something, and Bank Nifty gave a bigger momentum. I don't regret taking any kind of trade here because this trade was giving me confidence and this trade was not giving me confidence. From last 2 days, one of the main reason why Bank Nifty is moving towards the upside is because there is an expectation that RBI is going to give a CRR cut. That is beneficial for bank. So that is why banking sector is moving towards the upside. So this is what happened in the market today. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading setup we have for tomorrow. Traders, this is Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. I mark some important levels on this chart. Let's discuss about that first. First, I mark this zone because this has been acting as a good resistance. Once market has come out of this zone, it is acting now as support. Second, I mark this zone because this is today's resistance. Not just today, in the past also you can see this has become a range where continuously market is facing resistance, moving towards the downside. This has been seller's pressure zone and this has been buying pressure zone after this breakout. Also, you can notice that I've drawn a trend line here. This trend line is continuously acting as support level for Nifty. Traders, here you can see Nifty has been continuously moving towards the upside, forming higher lows and higher high. So when market seems to be uptrend, looking for opportunity on the bullish side itself is better. But at some point of time, market can create confusion. What kind of confusion I'm talking about? Let's say market opened with a gap down and it broke this zone. This resistance zone, which was acting as support now, if this level breaks or when market this trend line breaks, many people will start being bearish about the market. Since we know Nifty is in bullish trend, we will not be planning for any put option trade as long as market goes below 0.236 level. There is a high chance that market can move towards the downside, break this trend line, attract some put option traders, create liquidity. From here it can reverse. That is why as long as market goes below 236 level of Fibonacci, we are not planning for put. Put option trade we can look for when market tests the 236 level. From here, if it is giving a breakdown, then we will say market has potential of reaching these two levels. That time we will plan for put. Until then, no need to look for any put option trade currently in the market. Nifty opens within this range. We know this is the upper resistance, this is the lower support. Within this range, we will avoid any kind of trade. In case we get a breakout, we know this resistance level has been tested many times. So here with small stop loss, we'll be looking for call option trade. We know this trend line is acting as support and this is our resistance. After consolidation, if market breaks and it is staying above this trend line, until then we can hold on to our call option trade by extending this trend line. At some point of time, if market tries to break this trend line, we can think about exiting. Now the next upside target for Nifty can be this resistance level 24,870. This area will be our target towards the upside. Here market can correct. Later, maybe when it plans to reach 25,000, we can be looking at a bullish trade. Until then, this will be our main target towards the upside. Within this range, better to avoid trade. If you want to plan for put option trade, market has to break all of these levels, retest and show continuation. This is my view about Nifty. Tomorrow is Nifty expiry. Please expect some kind of volatility. As long as market is giving us any kind of positive confirmation to plan for call, we will be avoiding taking any trade within this zone. As of now, this is my view about Nifty. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code to join the group. Link is also provided in the description box below. Let's look into Bank Nifty. Traders, this Bank Nifty chart 30 minutes time frame. I've taken this time frame to explain the setup better. You see I've drawn a trend line here. This is acting as support. Next, I marked this range. This was acting as resistance in the past. You can see historically, this was the resistance zone. Now that the market has broken this level, this area can act as supporting zone. Also, we have our trend line here. So this zone can be the reversal area for Bank Nifty. Why I'm saying this is a reversal area is because market as of now, it is in uptrend. Before trend continuation, market can move towards the downside. Later, the trend towards the upside can continue. That is why we are considering this as a crucial zone in the market. You can see what range is this. 52,540 to 52,750. I would consider this as deciding zone. Only if market comes to this zone, retest and shows bearishness, we will be looking for put option trading opportunity where we can expect 50% correction of this move, or else at every pullback we will be looking for a reversal setup in Bank Nifty. If market is just staying within the zone, it is more favorable for option sellers, not for option buyers. So best we can do is wait for the market to go below 53,000. At that time many people will be attracted on the put option side. After attracting more people, creating liquidity, market can move towards the upside by giving a breakout. So this kind of opportunity we will be looking at the market. In case Bank Nifty opens with gap up tomorrow, we have a psychological level which is 53,500. Depending on how market is holding on to this range, is it giving a breakout? Only then I'll be focusing on call because I feel a correction is pending. After this, if market continues the trend, I'll not be that confident for looking a call option trade. Let's say after the gap up, market corrects a bit later, if it is breaking the DSI, then maybe I'll be little confident on call. So these are the pullback zone in Bank Nifty. One is this setup or consolidation breakout at the upper level. Within the zone, better to avoid taking any kind of trade. I know this range is big, around 700 points plus. Avoiding trade within this zone would be a better thing for us to do in the market at this point of time. This is my personal opinion. If you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.